Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get an Instagram API key. So let's start. Following this step, surely you will do it. So the first one is ensure you have an Instagram creator or business account. So before you proceed, make sure your Instagram account is either a creator or business account. So you have to log in into your Instagram account and convert your account in this part, creator or business. It's very easy to do it. So the second one is set up an application. You first set up an application on the Meta for Developers platform by following these steps. So you have to access to Meta Developer platform and you can use existing account to create a new one. So click on create app, a dialog window will appear asking you to define your app's functionalities. So you have to select other as the use case and click on next. Select business on the app, type the step app permission and click on next. So you have to provide an app name and contact email and then click on next to complete the setup. So then add the Instagram product to your app. So on the app dashboard, scroll down to products and locate Instagram. So click on setup next to Instagram and select API setup with Instagram login. Number 4, you have to generate your Instagram access token. So you have to assign an Instagram account for token generation. In the app dashboard, go to Instagram API setup with Instagram login and click add an Instagram account. So then log in with your Instagram creator or business with your credentials. So as the picture shows, you can see here. And then confirm the account connection. Your Instagram account must be public, and if you manage multiple accounts, ensure the correct one is selected. So then copy the generate X token type to assign Instagram account. So now the number 5 is add the access token to the breaks. So then you have here, for example, Instagram access token, and then you have to paste here the code. So when you do it, bricks automatically refresh every 20 days using the bricks and no manual updates is required. And now your token is ready to Instagram. So guys, I hope this tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.